And thank
We
you.
hope everyone is doing well today. We are our representation from grade 9. We will present you all about our dream in the future. We would like to thank our principal, Mr. Muhammad F. Sumayari, SPDM.
To our teachers, the official staff, the guardian student, and of course, all the students who have come today. Hello everyone, my name is Fios Dipaputra from class 9F, and I want to be a judge in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Tina Samana Chifa from 9B. My dream is to become a scientist. Hello everyone, my name is Laila Aprilia. I am from class 9B and I want to be a lawyer in the future.
Hello
everyone, my name is Melinda. I am from class 9A. In the future, I want to be a psychologist.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasa Gabarni. I'm from class 10J and my dream is to become a police officer.
Hello everyone, my name is Nasha Pitalopa Imawan and I am from class 9. My dream is to become an architect.